How to write the Boolean expression for any circuit. Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Science, and in this video we will see how we can write the Boolean expression for any logic circuit. Suppose we are given a circuit like this and we are told to write down the Boolean expression for each of the gate and also the final output. So how are we gonna do this? First of all, write the Boolean expression for each of the gate. Here I am having an AND gate, an OR gate, again an AND gate, AND gate, and OR gate. Go in the stepwise manner and one by one write down the output for each of the gate. First is AND gate. This gate gives the product of input and I am having the input as A and B. So the output obtained here is going to be AB. Next move to this gate, that is OR gate. As you can see, one input is C and the other input is the input of AND gate, that is B. So the two inputs here are B and C. The OR gate gives the sum of the inputs, so my output is going to be B plus C. This is the output for AND gate, this is the output for OR gate. Next, let's see the third gate, which is again an AND gate, and here the inputs are, see, the first input is the C and the second input is again the input of the AND gate, and the wires are connected, so the second input is B. AND gate will give the product of the input, so my output is going to be B into C. As you can see, the output of these two gates are going as input to the next AND gate, and AND gate gives the product of input, so here the output obtained will be the product of B plus C and B into C. So B into C into B plus C. Now here I am having the OR gate. The OR gate will give the sum of the inputs, and the input to this OR gate is the output of the AND gate, which is AB, and the next input is the output from this AND gate, which is B into C into B plus C. It's simply going to add up the two inputs and the result obtained is going to be AB plus B into C into B plus C. So in this way we have written the Boolean expression for this circuit. Now let's see a little simpler circuit. We will draw the circuit and write the expression for it. As you can see, this is the OR gate and this is the AND gate. The inputs here are A and C, and the input for this AND gate is B. OR gate will give the sum of the inputs, so the output obtained is A plus C. Next, the output of OR gate is going to the AND gate and the other input is B. So the result obtained at output is going to be B into A plus C. Let's build another circuit. This is my logic circuit. The inputs are A and B. Here I am having a NAND gate, NAND gate, NAND gate, and NAND gate. The output when the input of the NAND gates are shorted is the complement of input. So for A I am going to get A bar. Similarly for B, the output is going to be B bar. Next, both these outputs are going as input to the next NAND gate, and the NAND gate will give the output here as A bar dot B bar, the whole bar. So we can solve this as A double bar plus B bar using the De Morgan theorem, and finally it's A plus B. So the output from this NAND gate is A plus B. Next, again we are passing through one more NAND gate, and this time the terminals are shorted, so the output obtained is going to be the invert. In this way we have got the output as y is equal to a plus b the whole bar. This is how the Boolean expression can be written for logic circuits. I hope you understood the concept. Thank you so much for watching till the